Define the water expanse object from 3D or 2D plan view. Choose the type. Use the snaps to select the appropriate axis. Set its perimeter by adding nodes with a click. Define the segment's direction and type in the desired length. Select Finish button to conclude modeling. Even transform the straight segment to an arc. Define its waves and intensity. Also get the resulting surface and perimeter. Specify the water depth. Choose a material from the catalog. In perspective view, you can now see your animated water.